I'm gonna love you.
Hey yo, what's cracking, people? Michael back, man. What's going on, man? This one is something you requested. Seagulls, Stop It Now. A bad lip reading of The Empire Strike Back. Is this? I hope it's the right one. Bad lip reading of Seagulls, Star Wars. It's the only one I could find. There was another one that was like an hour long. I know for damn sure you didn't want me to do that. But let's check this out and see what's going on. If this is the wrong one, just let me know. You know what I'm saying? This is about to be some bullshit. This is really about to be some bullshit. I feel it in my bones. And let me see. No, this isn't a try not to laugh. Okay, so I'm free to laugh. May the force be with you.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
What?
A little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Seagulls gonna come, put me in a coconut, and they did, and me go like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from? I can be a backpack while you run.
Oh my god.
Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah. Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Oh my god. Yo.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank? I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run, I can be a backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump, now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking by this big log. Then I rolled the log over. Underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there swinging.
Still going.
Help me, please, the seagull. Poke your knees.
What?
Stop it now.
Oh god. Look at his face. He just
Yeah,
messed up
whatever,
the
you're
whole
sort of
movie.
pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Yo. All right. Get it together. Okay. I'm back in the game. Yo. Yo, son. Yo, son. Oh, shit, yo. Yo. Oh my god, yo. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get him off my screen. Oh my god. I can never look at Yoda again. I can never look at. Long at it. Fuck him. Yo. Okay. That was it, man. That's all I got. Yo, that was some funny shit. Yo, Mike Holback, you ain't no good, man. Alright, I gotta regroup. Oh, snap. Yo, that was some funny shit. Yo, there's no way. There's an hour-long joint that I saw. There's no freaking way that this is happening. You know what I'm saying? For an hour. Oh, my God. That was the funniest shit I have seen about Star Wars, man. Wow. Whoever did that, whoever dubbed that over, is a genius. He's a genius. There's something wrong with him, though, but he's a genius. Can't get it out. Alright, that's it. Post your comments below. Oh shit. Come on. Man. Post your comments below. Let me know what y'all thought of this. I'm gonna put this in the column of shenanigans and buffoonery. Oh my god. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and the share button. If this was a try not to laugh challenge, I'd have lost like a son of a bitch. Also, people, happy Turkey Day. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. If you just get together with family and just eat, not necessarily celebrating Thanksgiving, happy day to you and your family as well. You guys be safe out there. Be careful. I know police is riding hard. Until next time, Mike Holback, go to the police and just tell them to lock you up for that shit right there. Alright? Yeah, I blame you. Even though you didn't make it, I blame you, brother. Okay? Till next time, people. Peace.